The JAS-39 Gripen has earned a reputation as one of the most versatile and cost-effective fighter jets in the world, combining advanced technology with exceptional maneuverability. But as air combat evolves and new threats emerge, the Gripen is gradually approaching the end of its operational life, raising concerns about Sweden's future air defense capabilities. In today's video, we will tell you about Sweden's next-generation fighter, a cutting-edge aircraft that will integrate manned and unmanned systems, stealth, and AI technologies to maintain Sweden's edge in aerial warfare. The JAS-39 Gripen, designed and produced by Swedish aerospace company Saab, is a multi-role fighter developed to meet Sweden's specific defense needs. Its design emphasizes affordability, versatility, and operational efficiency, factors that have also made it an attractive option for air forces globally. With a long service life and several modernized versions, the Gripen has demonstrated adaptability in an evolving defense landscape. However, its future viability remains contingent on advancements in technology and shifting military priorities. The Gripen emerged in response to Sweden's pressing need to find a replacement for its aging fleet of Saab 35 Draken and Saab 37 Viggen Cold War-era aircraft during the 1980s. Sweden's requirements specified an extremely versatile aircraft that could excel in multiple roles: air-to-air combat, ground attack, and reconnaissance, while remaining cost-effective and relatively simple to operate. This last criterion was crucial, as Sweden's conscript-heavy personnel structure meant that the young and non-specialized would be responsible for refueling, refitting, and rearming the jet. The new jet had to be compatible with Sweden's BAS 90 basing system too. Rather than parking their jets at a few locations in large numbers, Sweden chooses to disperse their aircraft throughout the country at many remote locations, a decision aimed at protecting their fighter fleets from being knocked out quickly in the event of war. To that end, the new jet had to be able to take off and land on highways. An early design requirement specified 800, and the new jet needed just 800 meters for takeoff and landing. The resulting design was the JAS-39, a lightweight single-engine fighter with a delta wing and canard design, which afforded pilots good maneuverability at a relatively moderate price point. The Gripen's first flight came just before the end of the Cold War in 1988, and it entered service with the Swedish Air Force in the mid-1990s. Although Swedish aerospace engineers tailor-made the JAS-39 for the Swedish Air Force, the Gripen's versatility combined with low operating cost and operational simplicity meant that the platform enjoyed some success on the international export market, appealing especially to countries with more limited defense budgets and economic constraints. Expanding from Sweden, the Gripen is now in service with Brazil, Hungary, the Czech Republic, South Africa, and most recently, Thailand. In Europe, Hungary and the Czech Republic integrated the Gripen into their NATO-compatible defense structures. In South Africa, the JAS-39 serves as a versatile fighter in a region with diverse operational challenges. Brazil, on the other hand, has taken a different approach, manufacturing the aircraft domestically in Brazil via a technology-sharing agreement with Saab. Since its initial introduction into Swedish service, the Gripen has undergone multiple upgrades designed to keep the jet relevant in a shifting and evolving threat landscape. The JAS-39 Gripen EF, also known as the Gripen Next Generation (NG), is the latest version and represents a big jump forward in terms of capabilities compared to earlier Gripen models. The EF variant integrates a revamped, more powerful jet engine from General Electric, a boon to range and payload capacity. In addition, the newest jet also sports upgraded electronic warfare systems and improved integration with various sensors. Taken all together, these improvements afford the multi-role fighter good flexibility to counter a wide variety of challenges. The Gripen's data networking capabilities, in particular, fit well into a networked defense system. Despite these improvements and optimizations, however, the JAS-39, as a decidedly non-stealthy fighter jet, faces distinct setbacks against advanced fighters on the bleeding edge of stealth technology. The Gripen's relative simplicity, compared to high-end fighters like the F-35 or Su-57, limits its utility in peer-to-peer conflicts involving advanced adversaries. Although the latest EF Gripen versions improve its survivability and situational awareness, the jet still lacks stealthy features and some of the high-end capabilities required to remain combat-relevant in heavily contested airspace, bringing the platform's future role within the Swedish Air Force into question. And so, there is a need for a worthy successor to be in place. As reported by SVT Nyheter on December 12, 2024, Saab is advancing preparations for Sweden's next-generation fighter jet as the JAS-39 Gripen nears the end of its operational service life, with the deployment of a replacement envisioned around 2050. Saab's proposal focuses on a mix of manned and unmanned platforms, including a low-cost subsonic uncrewed platform under 1 ton, a supersonic uncrewed platform over 5 tons, a subsonic uncrewed platform under 5 tons, and a new manned fighter. These will incorporate technologies such as artificial intelligence, networked operations, and stealth capabilities, which are considered necessary for future air combat requirements. According to available visuals, Saab's future fighter will retain key elements from the Gripen, including its engine, vehicle systems, and avionics, while introducing a stealthier airframe, a new digital backbone, advanced communication systems, and AI integrations. The future design will omit the canards featured on the current Gripen. A key part of Saab's approach includes loyal wingman drones, uncrewed aerial systems designed to operate alongside manned fighters. These drones could serve as decoys to absorb enemy fire or conduct surveillance and precision strikes in high-risk environments. Peter Nielsen, head of Saab's Advanced Programs Business Unit, stated that certain platforms might be designed for expendability to fulfill these roles. Saab is also incorporating stealth technologies, including radar-absorbing materials and improved aerodynamic designs, to enhance low observability. Stealth has become a critical feature in air warfare, enabling aircraft to reduce radar detection. The proposals are part of Saab's future combat aircraft concept, launched in mid-2023, aiming to develop Sweden's next-generation fighter. This program prioritizes stealth, autonomy, and electronic warfare capabilities, with initial testing done through wind tunnel simulations. Saab has already unveiled a supersonic stealth drone concept featuring internal weapons bays and a low-drag aerodynamic design, emphasizing the shift toward a mix of manned and unmanned operations. Momentum increased in March 2024 when Sweden's Defense Materiel Administration awarded Saab a contract for concept studies on future combat aircraft. Saab is working alongside the Swedish Armed Forces and aerospace partners to explore cutting-edge technologies, with initial findings expected by the end of 2025. Meanwhile, the Gripen E, Sweden's most advanced fighter jet, is set to enter service in 2025, bridging the gap between current capabilities and future developments. AI integration is another crucial aspect of Sweden's next-gen fighter program. Under Project Beyond, Saab is collaborating with AI company Helsing to enhance combat decision-making and uncrewed aircraft capabilities. Additionally, Saab is testing a 3D-printed UAV, Ruby, which will be evaluated for both military and civilian applications, such as wildfire monitoring. These developments signal a significant move toward automation and adaptability in aerial combat. By 2030, Sweden will decide on its future fighter jet strategy, determining whether to develop an entirely domestic aircraft, collaborate internationally, or procure foreign-built options. The outcome of this decision will define the country's military capabilities and its role in the evolving landscape of modern air combat. This is a story we'll be keeping a close eye on, so stay tuned for more updates on Sweden's next-generation fighter jet. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay connected. And thanks for watching.